And what is it? Yes, it is a flower vase. Very good.
બેઠક રૂમ પછી વારો છે રસોડાનો. ભૂખ લાગી હશે ને? તો હવે રસોડામાં જઈએ અને એ રસોડામાં કઈ કઈ વસ્તુઓ છે તેનો પણ પરિચય મેળવીએ.
Friends, if you are hungry, where will you go? Of course, you will go into your kitchen. So, here is a picture of a kitchen. We will arrange the things in this kitchen. First of all, this is the platform. There is a mixer on the platform. Near that mixer, there is a gas stove on the platform. There is a pressure cooker on the gas stove. There is a microwave oven too. And look here, in this corner, there is a refrigerator. The refrigerator is yellow. Now I will repeat all the things. A mixer grinder, a gas stove, a pressure cooker, a microwave oven, and a refrigerator. Now I will ask you some questions. Look at the picture carefully and answer the question. Look here, are you ready?
તમને સમજાઈ જ ચૂક્યું હશે હવે તો કે કિચનમાં લઈ ગયા છે, એની વસ્તુઓ આપણને બતાવી છે. તો હવે શું કરશું? બિલકુલ સાચું, પ્રશ્નો પૂછીશ અને એ પ્રશ્નોના તમારે જવાબ આપવાના છે.
Here is a picture of a kitchen and the kitchen platform. Now, tell me, what is there on the platform? Yes, you are right. It is a mixer. Now tell me, what is there near that mixer? You are right again. It is a gas stove. Now tell me, what is there on that gas stove? Oh yes, it is a pressure cooker. Can you tell me the name of these things? Good. It is a microwave oven. And what is this? Is it a cupboard? Yes, it is not a cupboard. It is a refrigerator. What is the color of the refrigerator? Is it green or yellow? Yes? Very good. It is a yellow refrigerator. Excellent.
દોસ્તો, વોટ ઇઝ યોર વિલેજ નેમ? હા, તો અહીંયા પણ એક ગામનું ચિત્ર છે અને એમાં ગામના કેટલાક સ્થળો આપેલા છે અને તે સ્થળો વિશે અંગ્રેજીમાં કેવી રીતે બોલાય તે પણ છે. તો આપણે ગામ જોઈએ અને એની સાથે સાંભળીએ પણ ખરા કે પોતાના ગામનું વર્ણન કેવી રીતે કરી શકાય.
Hello friends, can you guess which is this picture? No. It's an incomplete picture. Here are some roads. Now look, there are some buses near that road. It is a bus station. Now, here is a hospital. It is a big hospital. There are two trees in front of the hospital. And in this side, here is a pond. There is water in that pond. There are some houses near the pond. Can you count how many houses are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. There are 4 houses near the pond. There is a shop in this village. It is a small shop. And yes, guess? True. It is a school. It is a very big school. Near the school, you can see some trees. And there are 3 houses in front of the school. Now look there. Here is a post office. Behind that post office, there are some houses. Can you count these houses? Yes? Okay. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 houses behind the post office. And what is it? You are right. It is a temple. So, friends, here is a picture of a village. Let us give a name to this village. Okay, you can give the name of your village to this village. Can I repeat all these things again? Here is a picture of a village. There is a bus station in the village. There are some buses at the bus station. There is a big hospital in the village. There are 2 trees in front of the hospital. There is a pond near the village. There are 4 houses near the pond. There is a shop in the village. There is a school in the village. There is a big post office in this village. And there is a temple too. Have you recalled all these things? Look at the pictures again. Buses, trees, hospital, houses, pond, shop, school, post office, and the temple. Now, I will ask you some questions. Are you ready with your answers?
મુખ્ય ચાવી કે તેનો વ્યવહારમાં ઉપયોગ કરવો તમે એ પ્રયત્નમાં લાગી જાઓ અને હું લાગી જાઉં તમારા માટે બીજી નવી પ્રવૃત્તિઓ શોધવામાં, તો તમે તમારું કામ સંભાળો, હું મારું કામ સંભાળીશ. ફરીથી આવતા એપિસોડમાં મળીશું. ત્યાં સુધી તમારા કામની યાદી સાથે બાય બાય.